Welcome to the video tutorial for the layered navigation extension for Magento 2. You will see how to enable the extension on front end, expand certain attributes by default, show the price slider, display the advanced product count in brackets, and generate URLs that include all chosen attribute values. Let's go to the general settings. Select Stores, Configuration, ITORIS Extensions, Layered Navigation. You can manage the settings first of view as well. Enable or disable the extension here. Define the attributes which will be expanded by default. Customers can expand or collapse attributes at the same time. You can filter products using the price slider or enter necessary values into the From to Input boxes. If you disable the slider, customers will be able to choose multiple price intervals using the checkboxes. The extension allows to enable and display multiple price sliders at once. For example, if you enable the cost attribute in the settings to be visible on front end, the attribute will appear in the list box. If you want to show the number of products available next to the attribute values, click Yes in Display Product Count. Now let's go to the front end. Customers can expand and collapse attributes. The extension allows to select multiple attribute values at once. The extension refreshes the results only after one filter is applied. You can also remove the filters easily by clicking the link or delete the chosen attribute by clicking this icon. The extension supports the color swatches. Let's choose the color and apply the filter. You can see that the base image has changed. You can use the price slider or enter the values into the input boxes. Let's add one more price slider, Cost. After you enable that attribute in the storefront properties within the attribute settings, the slider will appear in the list. Choose the price and cost attributes. You can filter products using attribute cost. If the slider is disabled, your customers can choose the multiple price ranges. The extension generates the URL, which lets users share the link with the chosen attributes with a third party. If we choose the following values, the extension will generate the following URL. If we choose the following values, the extension will generate and combine the chosen price intervals as. The extension specifies the number of products assigned to each value. The layered navigation extension works on the search results page as well. You can add necessary attributes to be visible on the search page in the attribute settings in backend. The layered navigation extension for Magento 2 lets customers get relevant results by allowing to filter products by attributes like price, color, material, and etc. The built-in Ajax allows to update the results fast and correctly. For more detailed information, please refer to the user guide on our website www.itoris.com. Give a thumb up if you like our videos, subscribe to our channel and other social media.